Hello, I'm James.
This is Jake, and this is Paul. Together we make up Jamalon, three mates documenting our travels, childish humour, and constant mishaps as we desperately try to avoid becoming grown-ups. In the first of our mini travel series, we embark on Scotland's iconic North Coast 500 road trip in the middle of winter. 3 idiots, no planning,
really cold in here,
and one tiny camper van.
No!
What could possibly go wrong?
Who's going for it?
Coming up, we get lost.
Which way is the Clashnessie Falls?
Clashnessie! James and Jake reach breaking point.
Are you about to say that whole sentence? I'm sorry.
Are you okay, Jake?
really painful,
And I go hunting for the Loch Ness Monster.
really cold in here, and slippery.
It was day 3 on the road trip, and we had finally entered the Scottish Highlands.
Sunrise over Kylesku Bridge was a spectacular way to start the day. This part of the Highlands was incredible, and I couldn't help but get out there and capture its beauty. This, of course, left the boys alone in the van. Where are we, Jake?
Well, as you can see by the sign here, in Scotland it's known as Clachtoll, but in English it's Clachtoll.
What Jake means to say is, we're lost again. Hey pal! Which way is the Clashnessie Falls? That way?
No, he's playing behind it.
That way.
We just came
We
from
just
there.
From that direction. Yeah. Oh, hey. Yeah, hi guys. Which way is Clashnessie Falls?
Clashnessie!
Scottish people are so rude.
Despite the unhelpful locals, nothing could stop the fellowship from finding the falls. You alright there, Jake?
No,
What's up?
burn all 11 fingers. James passed me a frying pan and said, go and wash this, and it had just come off the hob. So I grabbed the whole thing.
I wasn't trying to get them to you.
If you turn around with the frying pan filled with stuff and go,
like-
these need washing.
No, I said
What did you say?
these need washing in here, and I was stacking them up. I turned round and I was about to say, don't touch the pan, it's hot, but you were too quick.
Are you about to say that whole sentence?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I was about to say, don't touch the pan. You beat me to it. I'm sorry.
Are you okay, Jake?
I wasn't okay at all. Miles from the nearest hospital, I was at severe risk of getting a blister.
It's too hot in the pan and too cold in the puddle. What do I do?
With Jake whinging about his fingers, I got landed with the washing up, but it wasn't long before he was back to his usual antics.
Deep in the western highlands of Scotland, we come across one of the rarest creatures in the British Isles. The Australian Lochs. He's not noticed. He's dropped a plate. Yet another plate. Oh, what's he going to do? Quite remarkable. These tall yet elusive creatures are some of the rarest in the world, happily strolling back to the caravan. Let's try not to startle him.
What's he doing over there?
Terrifying, Jake!
He's finding it hard.
Another half-assed washing up job from Paul, and we were back on the road.
Anyone out there? 'Cause it's getting harder and harder to breathe. Oh, what the hell do? Is there anyone out there? 'Cause it's getting harder and harder to breathe. But when it gets cold outside, I got nobody to love. You'll understand what I mean when I say there's no way we're gonna give up. Is there anyone out there? 'Cause it's getting harder and harder to breathe. Is there anyone out there? 'Cause it's getting harder and harder.
I think it's crashed. I need to hit it's definitely crashed. Stop. It must be on that island thing there.
Oh, you're gonna have to get wet, boy.
Matt, if it's still on the island, we're okay. If it's not,
It's gonna have to go.
He's lost his drone.
yes, Jake, I had lost my drone, but I was confident that with a little help from my friends, I'd be able to get it back.
There's no boat, mate.
Yes, thank you, Jake. I can see there's no boat. I'm gonna get hypothermia.
Yeah, we should probably get some warm clothes in the towel ready.
This never happened.
Mate, it's gonna be so cold.
Oh, really, James?
Mate, you wanna do it quick 'cause the sun's gonna set.
Yes, thank you, James. It does that every day.
It's really cold in here. And slippery.
Lucky for me, the channel to the island was only waist deep. However, once I got there, there was one problem. I couldn't find the bloody thing.
Can't find it.
After what felt like an age searching for this stupid drone on this stupid island, it was starting to get dark and really cold. Just as I was about to give up,
Have you found it?
I found it.
Captured for the first time ever on camera, a drone hunt. Success at last. At over 4 meters tall, this impressive male navigates the shallow loch with ease. Dinner is served.
So we're back on our way. We've recovered the drone.
A real team effort.
Paul, how are your feet, mate?
Feet are pretty chilly.
But we got the drone back. Celebratory dance.
My afternoon swim meant we arrived late into Ullapool, so it was straight to the ferryboat inn for some live music and delicious food. We all agreed that our luck would undoubtedly be better tomorrow. Little did we know, things were about to take an unexpected turn.
Practicing like ancient Celtic ceremonies, drinking out of the skulls.
I really don't want to. I don't think it's a good idea.
Yeah, we're going to spend the night there.
No, we're not.
Why smile? It's not. This isn't a game.
Cyclone, gale 8, storm 10.
Yeah, but it's not a storm yet, is it?
This is us right here. It's a big wall of blackout.
It's a storm.
Oh my god.